Top 10 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1, GMC Sierra, 1971 year of issue. 1971 GMC Sierra Grande 400 Invader. 1971 GMC introduced the Holy Grail along with power stern, air-conditioned bucket seats. Console disc brakes, 5 lugs, the wood grain glove box, the leather headline, GM AM. Radio 3-speed transmission, turbo, long bed, dual headlights. GMC's first luxury pickup truck, the 400 Invader Holy Grail. Second owner, all original and intact, 2WD 42585 miles, all original. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2, Oldsmobile Coupe, 1929 year of issue. 1929 Oldsmobile F29 Special Coupe, complete and partially restored. Flat 6 engine, dual side mounts, trunk rack, golf club door. The original engine was disassembled and an engine block has been overhauled. Rebored with pistons, rings, rods, bearings, and crankshaft assembled. Ready to be installed. The rear drivetrain has new parts, wheel spokes refurbished. And the body sandblasted. The bodywood is original and solid. Number 3, Triumph Spitfire, 1980 year of issue. 1980 Triumph Spitfire convertible, white. I have the hard and soft top, the original rubber bumper, but not on it. Chrome luggage rack and headlight covers. Spare tire and lots of extra parts. The interior needs to be restored. The engine isn't the original. It does start, but problem with the clutch, I've been told. Odometer needs to be hooked up. Number 4, GMC 100, 1949 year of issue. 1949 GMC 100 panel truck, very complete. Rusted through on rocker panels, pictures, and next to gas inlet. Most of floor in very good condition. Rusted through at driver's floor. Battery compartment has rust. PA truck, do not see a lot of these listed. No title, wonderful restoration project. Number 5, Chevrolet Monte Carlo, 1973 year of issue. 1973 Chevy Monte Carlo. V8, automatic, AC. Power brakes and power steering, console shift. The car has been sitting for a while, overall in really good shape. Has front swivel bucket seats. I have all 4 original hubcaps. I have not tried to start the vehicle. Clean NM title. With all the documents for vehicle transfer. Number 6, Buick Riviera. 1978 year of issue. (1978) Buick Riviera. Original unrestored car. The original interior is in good shape and includes power windows and power seats. This Riviera is powered by a V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It comes with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. It runs and drives. Air conditioning, power brakes, power steering. Number 7, Chevrolet Corvair. 1963 year of issue. For consignment, a Chevrolet Corvair Monza edition from 1963. A respray of silver blue presents in good condition, covers the rounded body. A few dents and dings are present throughout the all-steel body, along with some underlying rust, bubbling, and cracking. Mounted into the rear is the horizontally opposed 6-cylinder 164 CI boxer engine. It has dual 1-barrel carburetors to feed it fossils and air, and there is a 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission on the back. A 3.55 final drive puts the power to the pavement. Underneath, we see surface rust mostly reserved for the suspension and framing near the back. Number 8, Chevrolet Sedan delivery, 1951 year of issue, 1951 Chevrolet Sedan delivery, street rod, hot rod, rat rod project, non-running 350 engine, locked up from sitting, 350 automatic 10-bolt S10 rear end. Includes a pair of black bucket seats. Driver's side seat is power. The steering gearbox needs replaced or rebuilt. It has a clear title. He has more parts, new rubber seals, new windshield, extra fenders, needs floor pans, but he has them, needs inner and outer rocker panels, new door and windshield seals are on car. Frame is good, needs gas tank, does not run, motor and trans in it. All door panels need replaced. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.